A couple of months back, I showed you guys exactly how to buy cryptocurrencies without needing P2P or without needing to do it on an exchange and doing it directly from your bank account. And the platform worked effortlessly, but there was a huge downside to it. You see, when you buy these cryptocurrencies, you do not need an exchange or you do not need a P2P platform in order for you to be able to do it, but the destination for that cryptocurrency to be sent to needed to be an exchange. So you needed to have a Binance account or a KuCoin account or FTX and so on and so forth in order for you to be able to send the crypto to. So what this meant was that if you do not have any exchange wallet, or if you had not signed up for any exchange at all, that means you wouldn't have been able to use this website. Well, today there is an update on this platform and I'm going to be running you guys through it. Now, for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about Ramp. And I'm going to be having the link in the description below. So if you want to go ahead and use this platform, you can just go ahead and use the link in the description below. And I'm also going to leave in the description below as well the link to the first video that I made, because I may be glossing over some things as we proceed because I have covered them in the last video. So if you know you've never seen this platform or you've never heard of it, after you're done with this video, definitely go ahead and check out that video as well, because I went into detail in the last video. So for those of you who remember the last video I made, if you remember, there used to be like an option here where you can select the exchanges that you would like to deposit your money in. So after you buy the cryptocurrency directly from your bank account, it will need to be deposited in an exchange wallet. So you need to select the exchange and then you can proceed to make the purchase for your cryptocurrency. But now there is an upgrade on the platform whereby it does not need an exchange wallet or any type of custodial wallet. So now I can decide to put any type of address, be it from an exchange or from a private wallet, and the money will be credited instantly to my wallet. All right. So it doesn't have to be an exchange anymore. It can just be a private wallet and that's fine. And I'm going to be demonstrating that right now for you guys. I'm going to be buying some USDT and I'm going to be depositing it into my private wallet. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. Now, for those of you who have watched the previous video, you would remember that with this website, you can only buy USDT with it. And then when you buy the USDT, then you can go ahead and then buy other cryptocurrencies with that USDT. But with this USDT, it makes it very easier because at this point, you're just buying dollars and then from there, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So just to gloss over what we're looking at here. So you can see right here, we have one USDT, which is equals to 654 Naira. So this is the exchange rate for what one USDT is. And then the rate refreshes every 10 seconds. Now, the minimum USDT you can buy on this platform is 10 USDT. So I have to buy 10 USDT. So 10,000 Naira is going to give me $15. But like I said, I want to buy 10 USDT. So I'm just going to come over here and put in 10. All right. So we can now see that 10 USDT is now going to be 6,546.7 Naira. All right, so after that is done, we'll come over here and then we'll put our USDT wallet address. Now, mind you guys, the USDT wallet address that you must put in here must belong to the Tron network, okay? Now, in case if you do not understand what I am saying, the USDT that you know, Tether, all right, it's on different blockchains. Now, there's USDT on Ethereum, which is the main blockchain, and that one is called ERC20, all right? And then there's USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. So the Binance that you know, there's USDT on their blockchain. And then there's USDT on Tron, which is this one that we have over here. It's called TRC20 and it can also be called TRX as well. And then there's also USDT on a couple of other blockchains as well. Okay, so the one that these guys need in order to facilitate this transaction is Tron. It is very important that you don't just copy any type of wallet address for USDT and put it in here. Because if you do not put a Tron address in here, it won't work. You might end up losing your money. Now, in case you do not know what I'm talking about or how to get a TRC20 wallet address for USDT, please, it's very important that you watch my last video because I showed you guys exactly how to get this address. Though it was on my Binance wallet, but still, it shows you clearly how to do it. Now, I'm going to be using a private wallet in order to demonstrate this for you guys. For those of you who are very familiar with this channel, you know that I am very keen about the Exodus wallet. All right, it's a very great wallet that enables you to stake, and it's also private. They have USDT on the Tron network as well. So I'm going to be leaving the link to that in the description below. Remember that I said that the Tron blockchain symbol can either be TRC20 or TRX. If you're using the Exodus wallet, it has the logo TRX on it, and I'm going to be showing you guys right now on the screen what it looks like, so that in case we are using that wallet, in order for you to be able to do this practical, then you would know how to recognize it. So TRC20 or TRX, they both belong to the same blockchain. They are all Tron. Now, for this example though, I'm going to be using my Trust wallet. All right, Trust wallet is a wallet that belongs to Binance, but it's still private. It means Binance cannot control it, but they do develop the software. All right, now as for that one, it is TRC that is in front of it. All right, while for Exodus, it is TRX that is in front of it. And like I said, I'm just going to leave what they look like on your screen so that you know what they look like. All right, but if you can't find anything in front of it for the private wallet that you're using right now, then most likely it is ERC20. Or you can talk to your customer support for your private wallet, and then they will tell you which blockchain the USDT belongs to. I'm stressing this so that you will not lose your money if you end up putting the wrong wallet address in here. Or if you just want to be on the safe side, just go to your exchange and then get the address from there. Alright, so I'm going to be pasting in my TRC20 wallet address here, and then after I'm done with that, I click on continue, and then it asks me for my email address. Then I put in my email address, and then I click on continue, and then it's basically trying to confirm, okay, this is what I'm going to be paying, and this is how much I will receive in my wallet. Alright, I click on pay. Now after doing that, it opens this new page, and then you just click on continue. Now, if you guys have watched the last video, you remember what this is. It's trying to basically link to a bank account, which I can sign in through and then deposit the money directly through that. All right. Now, if you guys remembered in the last video, I said this is a very, very safe process. They do not save your bank account detail, and this is just a one-time thing. Once you sign in and then you connect the bank account, they just take that money one time, and that is it. All right, they do not store your details or anything like that. So this process, it is entirely safe. If you guys don't really or are not really sure, you can definitely use a bank account that you are willing to spare. Like I said in my last video, I always prefer to use Kuda because it's not really like my main account, and it is an account that you can just create online. Within a few minutes, you've set it up and it's ready to go. All right, the link to Kuda Bank is going to be in the description below. If you do not have that bank, just go ahead and use the link in the description below to sign up for Kuda Bank. But apart from Kuda Bank, there are other banks here as well that you can use to perform this transaction. Now, like I said, this is a very, very safe process. They do not take any other money from a bank account. They just take that exact money that is owed to them. All right, so in this case, I'm just going to select Kuda Bank, and then I'm going to put in my email address and then my sign in for my bank app. So you see what it looks like. And then after you're done, just click on login, and then it's going to be linking your account. You can see it's linking my account right now. So once my account has been linked, you can see your Kuda Bank account has been successfully linked. You can now make transfers from this account. All right. So when I click on continue, you can see this is my Kuda Bank account. So once I select the bank account, it's going to take exactly that amount that is being owed from me. After that, I click on pay. As you can see, the payment has been initiated, and then now it's redirecting me back to buy coins. All right, so now once we come over to the previous tab, we can now see that we have done the process of paying. So just in right now, as I was talking about this right now, the money just came in. As soon as I paid it, everything took within 2 minutes, and then I got the money in my private wallet. So I didn't need an exchange for this. I didn't need anything. I didn't need to sign up for anything or anything like that. All I just needed to do was provide my USDT wallet address and then link to my bank account, which I was going to be paying from, and then that was it. The money is now in my wallet. So with this now, you can be able to buy cryptocurrencies directly from your bank account and then send it to any private wallet that you have, or any exchange wallet that you have. All you just have to do is do all these steps I've given to you guys, and then you can have cryptocurrency in your private wallet or in your exchange wallet. The choice is up to you. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that update. Let me know what you guys think about the video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel as well. I make videos like this every week and you'll be the first to be notified when that happens. And one more thing before we go, I'm now making live videos every Tuesdays, and I basically always have like a topic that I talk about for the day. But you know, even during that, we can chat, we can hang out, you know, whatever you like. So if you're interested in doing that, definitely look out for my live videos every Tuesdays afternoon. Anyways, I just wanted you guys to know about that. It's not really a big deal, but it would be cool to, you know, meet some of you guys and hang out with some of you guys. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys next week Tuesday. Cheers.